Is your 2017 and 2022 Ford F-150 or Raptor key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely cause. These fobs use a CR32 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. This video shows you how to replace it yourself, saving time and money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Don't use excessive force to avoid damage. First, identify your key fob type. It's likely a two-piece fob with a flip-out key. Locate the seam on the fob, usually on the side or bottom. Insert the screwdriver or coin into the seam and gently twist to separate the halves. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with the plus side up. Insert the new battery with the plus side facing up. Reassemble the fob, ensuring it snaps together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and fob assembly. If your key fob still isn't working after replacing the battery, first ensure you're using a genuine, high-quality CR2032 battery. Counterfeit batteries are common and can cause premature failure. Second, cold weather can significantly reduce battery life. Consider storing your fob indoors during extreme temperatures. If issues persist, the problem might be a software glitch or the physical key might be damaged, necessitating reprogramming or a new shell for the fob. Note that Ford's digital key feature via the Ford Pass app is an alternative to physical fobs. Finally, remember to dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly. These lithium batteries are subject to environmental regulations, so recycle them properly. While battery replacement is generally straightforward, professional assistance from a certified technician is recommended if you encounter persistent problems. Using digital key is the future, but ensure it is protected from cybersecurity risks.